my buds are going to be shooting from over here. They got three different shooting spots. It's going to be going on. Let's see if I can zoom in there a little bit. Oh, I don't know if you can see the color here. There's the red where the finales are. One side of the finale, and there's another side over there, and then on top of the hill we've got the 8-inch. It's like 29 8-inches, and of course a whole bunch of 6s and 4s and whatever, but a whole bunch of cakes. It's going to be a good show. Over here is going to be where the waterfall will happen, all the way across the top. There's some of my buddies working on that. All the way across that building. And there they are up there. It's going to drop all that, all the way down. That'll be weird. My camera. Here's one of them. I'm going to be doing that for the waterfall. Then this one for the main body. I'll swing over probably for the waterfall, but I'm still thinking about that one. Okay, the JC cam. I've decided not to use it because I don't really need a wide angle up here. I don't need a fisheye. The other one will work just fine. So, that's it. Take a pan around, look around, see the whole place. Fancy car, fancy truck, I guess you'd say. Anyway. Got about an hour to go. And a little dew cap extension because it's been a real humid day today, and I know that dew is gonna fall, so do whatever I can to help keep that off the lens. It's pretty deep in there anyway, but still, there we go.